So planetary scientist sounds really cool, and I think it is, actually.
It's not just engineers who are problem solvers. Being a problem solver makes you an engineer.
But as an engineer, my goal is to leave a legacy behind, to look back and say, I did this.
When I get asked how I feel about building something that then goes on to Jupiter or went on to Saturn, I'm in awe that I can be involved in something like this. It's great. I wouldn't want to do anything else.
Notpla is a sustainable packaging startup.
All right, cheers.
We develop alternatives to single-use plastic using seaweed and plants that are natural, biodegradable, and in some cases even edible.
Our bodies change shape throughout the day. These changes normally require clinical appointments, hospital visits. So AI will replace those clinical visits and will reduce the clinical dependency, and amputees will be more unhindered.
So this in front of me is our hydrogen storage reactor.
The energy is locked into our technology and it will last for years. We're all problem solvers, you know? That makes you an engineer.
Ever since I was a kid, I was interested in engineering and machines. Then I discovered biomedical engineering, which is machining the human body. It was a bridge.
If I'm honest, I didn't really know what engineering was when I started my journey as an engineer. I wanted my work to make an impact.
The rewarding aspect is the moment you see that it actually works and it makes a difference. And that's the reward.
Creativity is born out of open minds. Our students are encouraged to remove the boundaries and constraints around their thinking and to look at alternative solutions and a diversity of ideas in order to come up with opportunities and solutions to today's grand challenges in engineering. Engineering in Manchester has a fantastic 200-year history that was built out of the Industrial Revolution, so we have a great foundation. But we also have academics who are at the forefront, at the cutting edge of their research, and we do a wide variety of research activities, including using drones to measure environmental pollution, for example, or even in healthcare, where we're looking at prosthetic devices to improve the lives and livelihoods of people who have particular difficulties. We have a diverse and international body of students at the University of Manchester who are creative, who are inspirational, who come up with their own ideas and take the initiative. And they not only apply that to their studies, but they also get heavily involved in student societies, in volunteering activities to really make a difference, and also leadership challenges. And when you have such a diverse set of minds and coming up with solutions, then you end up with a much richer, innovative idea taken forward in the future. The long history of engineering in Manchester really plays to our advantage here at the university, because it means industry comes to us with ideas for industry-inspired projects and opportunities for student placements. And this allows our students, both undergraduate and postgraduate students, to get engaged in those activities, which is great for those industries, but also for our students. It gives them some real hands-on experience that they can take when they want to go to an interview for a job, and they can talk about their real-world experience in solving an industrial problem that they wouldn't normally get the opportunity to do just through their conventional studies. In the University of Manchester in engineering, we have some of the best employability rates, and the vast majority of our graduates will go on to engineering careers within just a few months of graduating from the university, on tackling things like environmental challenges, infrastructure challenges in developing countries, mechanical engineering in healthcare, so a huge and exciting array. We have a fantastic tradition of innovators and thought leaders at the University of Manchester who interact with our students and help to inspire and develop high quality teaching and learning activities. And that is going to train the engineers of the future to be able to take the profession to the next level.
At Surrey, engineering is not just about learning, it's about making a difference. Our courses are designed to provide you with the skills needed to tackle the engineering challenges of the future. From sustainable energy and smart technologies to space exploration, you'll enjoy hands-on learning in professional quality facilities and earn respected industry accreditation in addition to your degree. Engineering at Surrey is a vibrant, supportive community where you'll find endless opportunities to grow, connect and succeed.
Our research is based around energy sustainability, and that's looking at storing hydrogen in new and alternative ways so that we can make it easy for you to use, whether it's at the home or in industry or in transport even.
People are at the centre of this energy revolution. Our research is in reviewing how we can retrofit our homes. This means looking at the cost-effective and efficient methods to reduce energy consumption.
We're working on developing the next generation of 3D printing. But what we want to do is print the function too. And this means developing the ability to print complex devices such as multi-drug pills, 3D electronics, and even biological structures.
We're pushing the boundaries of embedding smart sensor technology in medical devices. The sensor is as thin as a human hair and so is virtually unnoticeable to the patient and will alert clinicians when someone needs extra treatment.
Engineering research is multidisciplinary, and by considering the built environment, energy and transport together, we make the biggest difference to people and communities.
Our range of programs in electronic, electrical and systems engineering will equip you to meet the technological challenges of the 21st century. From autonomous vehicles, embedded computation and renewable energy to human-machine interactions, mechatronics and robotics. Study in our state-of-the-art facilities and student spaces, such as our dedicated electronic and electrical student labs, and a brand new design centre which will enrich your learning experience and prepare you for life after study. You'll be part of a diverse and welcoming community of students and staff who will support you during your time with us. Project work is at the core of our programmes to develop your theoretical and practical knowledge. Highly valued by employers, our projects and assessments are developed with and informed by industry and research leaders. You'll take part in our innovative, integrated design project and work collaboratively with engineers across multiple disciplines to tackle real-world problems. This will put you in good stead to meet industry's needs for graduates who are well-versed in subject fundamentals, yet skilled in working across traditional boundaries. Your Birmingham degree will ensure you stand out in a competitive job market, and our graduates go on to pursue careers in a broad range of sectors. Are you ready to take the next step? Start your journey today.